Welcome to Kaysersberg, a name that resonates with the echoes of emperors and the enduring spirit of Alsace. It's more than just a village, it is a venerable stronghold, crowned by the majestic ruins of its ancient Imperial Castle, a constant reminder of its powerful past. Here, nestled securely within the sun-drenched vineyards of the Alsatian wine route, Kaysersberg offers a unique blend of rugged medieval grandeur and the delicate charm of its half-timbered houses. Its very name, Emperor's Mountain, hints at a strategic importance that shaped its destiny. This is a place where every stone, every winding lane, whispers tales of history, heroism, and the quiet dignity of time itself. Join us as we ascend its heights and delve into the captivating soul of this exceptional Alsatian treasure. The undisputed centerpiece of Kaysersberg, and indeed its very namesake, are the magnificent Imperial Castle ruins, or Château de Kaysersberg. Perched proudly on a steep, vine-clad hill overlooking the village, these venerable stones stand as a powerful testament to centuries of strategic importance and imperial might. Originally constructed in the early 13th century by the Holy Roman Emperor Frederick II, the castle served as a vital stronghold, guarding the gateway to the Vosges Mountains and protecting the imperial territories. Its strategic position allowed its occupants to control trade routes and assert authority over the surrounding valley. The ascent to the ruins, though a gentle climb, is part of the experience, offering progressively more breathtaking views of the village nestled below and the sprawling vineyards that stretch to the horizon. As you reach the summit, the remnants of massive stone walls, silent witnesses to countless sieges and historical dramas, begin to emerge. The most prominent surviving feature is the imposing cylindrical structure that dominates the landscape. Its formidable walls, several meters thick, speak volumes of the defensive engineering of the medieval era. Climbing the narrow spiral staircase within the keep, you gain an even greater appreciation for its strategic design. Each step upward heightens the anticipation of the panoramic reward. From the top of the keep, the views are truly spectacular, an unrivaled vista that extends across the entire Kaysersberg Valley, encompassing the charming village with its distinctive bridge, the undulating sea of vineyards, and the picturesque Alsatian plain beyond. On clear days, the distant peaks of the Vosges Mountains provide a majestic backdrop, and one can almost imagine the watchful eyes of imperial guards surveying their dominion. Castle's history is steeped in conflict and resilience. It played a crucial role during the tumultuous 30 Years' War, enduring sieges and changing hands multiple times, a microcosm of Alsace's broader struggles. Though largely dismantled after the conflict, its enduring presence continues to symbolize Kaysersberg's imperial past and its unwavering spirit. Exploring the fragmented walls and remnants of living quarters within the ruins, one can almost hear the echoes of knights, emperors, and villagers seeking refuge within its formidable embrace. It is a place of profound historical resonance, inviting quiet contemplation on the passage of time and the enduring power of stone. Beyond its ancient stones, Kaysersberg holds a deeply significant place in modern history as the birthplace of Albert Schweitzer, 1875-1965, one of the 20th century's most extraordinary figures. A polymath of astonishing breadth, Schweitzer was a theologian, philosopher, musician, and humanitarian, renowned for his profound ethical philosophy and his lifelong dedication to selfless service. His early years, spent in this tranquil Alsatian village, undoubtedly shaped his character and his deep connection to humanity. Schweitzer's life was a testament to his philosophy of reverence for life, advocating for ethical responsibility towards all living beings. After achieving considerable fame in Europe as an academic and an organist, he made a radical decision to dedicate his life to medicine and serve humanity in Africa. At the age of 30, he began to study medicine, and in 1913, he established a hospital in Lambaréné, Gabon, then French Equatorial Africa, where he dedicated the rest of his long life to treating the sick. His unwavering commitment to this mission, often in the face of immense challenges, earned him the Nobel Peace Prize in 1952. Kaysersberg proudly honors its most famous son with the Albert Schweitzer Museum, housed in the very building where he was born. This humble yet profoundly moving museum offers an intimate glimpse into his life, his formative years in Alsace, and his monumental humanitarian work. Visitors can explore personal artifacts, photographs, letters, and documents that chronicle his journey from a brilliant European intellectual to a pioneering medical missionary in the heart of Africa. The museum thoughtfully illustrates his ethical philosophy and his enduring legacy of compassion and service. Beyond the museum, Schweitzer's spirit resonates throughout Kaysersberg. The village's peaceful atmosphere, surrounded by nature, reflects the values he cherished. His dedication to alleviating suffering and promoting understanding transcends generations and borders, making his birthplace a pilgrimage site for those inspired by his humanitarian vision. The museum also delves into his musical talents, particularly his passion for the organ and Bach, showcasing another facet of this remarkable individual. It's a powerful reminder that profound global impact can emerge from the quietude of a small, beautiful village. Connecting the two banks of the river Weiss and standing as a distinctive symbol of Kaysersberg's defensive past and enduring charm is the magnificent fortified bridge, or pont fortifié. This architectural gem, constructed in yellow sandstone, dates back to the 16th century, a period when the village sought to bolster its defenses against external threats. Its robust, arched structure isn't just for crossing. It was meticulously designed to withstand attack, featuring a small square tower at its center that once controlled access and served as a defensive outpost. The bridge's beauty lies in its elegant simplicity and its sturdy construction, blending seamlessly with the medieval aesthetic of the village. From its vantage point, you can enjoy picturesque views of the river Weiss flowing gently beneath, its banks often adorned with vibrant flowers. The bridge also offers enchanting perspectives of the half-timbered houses lining the river, their reflections shimmering in the water, and of the distant Imperial Castle ruins presiding majestically over the valley. It served not only as a strategic choke point, but also as a vital commercial link, connecting different parts of the village and facilitating trade. Today, the fortified bridge stands as a testament to medieval engineering and a beloved landmark, a popular spot for photographs, and a key part of any stroll through Kaysersberg. Its enduring presence underscores the village's historical resilience and its charming ability to integrate its fortified past into its everyday beauty. Walking across it, one can almost feel the echoes of past sentinels and merchants, making it a living piece of history that continues to serve the community while captivating visitors with its timeless charm. Beyond its formidable castle and iconic bridge, Kaysersberg's allure is deeply rooted in its captivating old town, a vibrant tapestry of quintessential Alsatian half-timbered houses. These structures, painted in a delightful palette of warm pastels, ochre, terracotta, sage green, and soft blues, create a picturesque streetscape that feels both ancient and alive. Each house is a testament to centuries of meticulous craftsmanship, with exposed wooden beams forming intricate geometric patterns against the lighter-colored infill. The sheer detail in their construction, from the carved timbers to the ornate window surrounds, speaks volumes about the pride of their original builders. The narrow cobblestone streets of Kaysersberg wind gently, leading to charming squares and unexpected courtyards. These pedestrian-friendly lanes invite unhurried exploration, encouraging visitors to wander, pause, and discover hidden architectural gems around every corner. Unlike some larger Alsatian towns, Kaysersberg maintains a delightful scale, making its historic core feel particularly intimate and cohesive. The absence of heavy traffic allows for a peaceful stroll where the sounds of footsteps and quiet conversation replace urban clamor. Adding to this idyllic scene are the ubiquitous, vibrant flowers that spill from every window box, planter, and balcony. Cascades of bright red geraniums, fuchsias, and petunias provide a riot of color against the ancient timber and stone, breathing life and freshness into the medieval setting. This dedication to floral decoration is a hallmark of Alsatian villages, and in Kaysersberg, it is meticulously maintained, creating a visual feast that delights the senses and enhances the village's undeniable charm. The village's architecture also subtly reflects its imperial past, with some houses displaying a certain substantiality and elegance that distinguishes them. While retaining the whimsical charm of half-timbered construction, there's often a sense of solidity and importance, fitting for a former free imperial city. These charming residences line the streets, creating an immersive atmosphere that transports visitors back to a bygone era of prosperity and craftsmanship, making every walk a journey through history. At the very heart of Kaysersberg's spiritual life and architectural splendor stands the impressive Saint-Sicret church. Église Saint-Sicret. This magnificent edifice, dedicated to the Holy Cross, is a compelling blend of Romanesque and Gothic architectural styles reflecting its long and complex history of construction and renovation spanning centuries. The oldest parts, including the sturdy lower sections of the tower and the nave, date back to the 13th century, showcasing the robust simplicity of Romanesque design. Later additions in the 15th and 16th centuries introduced the soaring lines and intricate detailing characteristic of the Gothic period, particularly in its beautiful choir. The exterior is notable for its imposing scale and the intricate carving of its main portal, which invites a moment of pause and admiration. Step inside and you are immediately struck by a sense of solemn grandeur and peaceful reverence. The light filtering through the stained glass windows, some dating back centuries, casts a kaleidoscope of colors across the ancient stone walls, illuminating the sacred space. The church's interior is a treasure trove of religious art and craftsmanship. Its most celebrated piece is undoubtedly the magnificent carved wooden altarpiece by Jean Bongart, dating from 1518. This masterpiece, with its intricate scenes and emotive figures, is a prime example of late Gothic Alsatian artistry. Other notable features include a striking 14th-century crucifix, various statues of saints, and a historically significant organ, whose pipes soar towards the vaulted ceilings. The overall atmosphere within Sainte-Croix Church is one of profound tranquility and deep historical resonance. It has served as a central place of worship for the people of Kaysersberg for generations, witnessing countless baptisms, weddings, and solemn moments of reflection. Its architectural evolution tells the story of the village's spiritual journey, making it not just a place of worship, but a living monument to Kaysersberg's enduring faith and artistic heritage, a truly captivating experience for all who enter. Kaysersberg is unequivocally a premier destination for wine enthusiasts, holding a cherished place on the Alsace wine route. The village is blessed with exceptional vineyards that produce some of the region's most celebrated vintages, notably from its two prestigious Grand Cru vineyards, Schlossberg and Kappelberg. The steep, sun-drenched slopes surrounding the village are meticulously cultivated, often by hand, testament to the labor of love that goes into every bottle. Schlossberg Grand Cru is particularly renowned, being the first Grand Cru vineyard designated in Alsace. Its granite-rich soil, combined with optimal sun exposure, yields wines, especially Riesling, of extraordinary finesse, minerality, and complexity. These wines are known for their remarkable aging potential and their ability to express the unique terroir of the area. Kappelberg Grand Cru also produces exceptional wines, often Gewürztraminer and Pinot Gris, known for their rich aroma and full body, reflecting its distinct geological composition. The winemaking traditions in Kaysersberg are deeply ingrained, often passed down through generations of local families who own and operate their small, independent domains. A visit to one of these charming, authentic caves, sign cellars, is an essential part of the Kaysersberg experience. descend into the cool, stone-lined cellars often located beneath the village's historic houses, and breathe in the evocative aroma of aging wine. Here, you'll meet passionate vintners who are eager to share their knowledge and their family history. These tasting experiences are intimate and personal, allowing you to sample the full range of Alsatian varietals, from the crisp, dry Rieslings to the intensely aromatic Gewürztraminers, the rich Pinot Gris, and the delicate Pinot Noir, the region's only red grape. You'll learn about the specific characteristics of each vintage, the nuances of the terroir, and the meticulous care that goes into producing these acclaimed wines. It's an immersive journey from vine to glass, highlighting Kaysersberg's proud legacy as a beacon of Alsatian viticulture. The culinary landscape of Kaysersberg is a delightful reflection of its Alsatian heritage, offering a rich and hearty gastronomic experience that perfectly complements its celebrated wines. The village's traditional local cuisine embraces the robust flavors and comforting textures that define Alsatian food, often with a unique, authentic twist rooted in local ingredients and time-honored recipes. Dining here is frequently enjoyed in a cozy Windstun, a traditional wine tavern, where the atmosphere is warm, rustic, and incredibly inviting, characterized by wooden furnishings and a convivial spirit. Expect to savor generous portions of classic Alsatian dishes prepared with fresh, seasonal produce sourced from the surrounding farms and fields. The iconic shuku gani, a hearty platter of sauerkraut served with various cuts of pork and sausages, is a staple, often prepared with a depth of flavor unique to the village. The crispy, thin-crusted tarte flambée, flabech, topped with cream, onions, and bacon, is perfect for sharing, a lighter yet utterly delicious option. You might also find variations made with local cheeses or seasonal vegetables. Beyond these well-known dishes, explore other local favorites such as beklof, a slow-cooked meat and vegetable casserole, or spatzel, soft egg noodles often served as a side or fried with butter and herbs. The region's rich cheeses, like the pungent Münster, are often served with caraway seeds and a glass of local Gewürztraminer. For those with a sweet tooth, traditional Alsatian pastries abound, including the distinctive Kugelhop, a brioche-like cake, and various bredele cookies during festive seasons. Every meal in Kaysersberg is an opportunity to savor the authentic flavors of Alsace, steeped in tradition and prepared with passion, creating a memorable dining experience. Kaysersberg embodies the very essence of Alsace, a rich tapestry woven from French elegance and German tradition, bathed in the warmth of the sun and the spirit of its people. It's a destination that invites deep exploration, quiet contemplation, and joyful discovery. It leaves an indelible mark on the heart, a lasting impression of beauty, history, and a timeless charm that beckons you to return. Come, experience the unique majesty and gentle allure of Kaysersberg. Allow its ancient spirit to guide your steps, its wines to delight your palate, and its unparalleled beauty to capture your imagination. It is a true treasure of Alsace, a village that stands proudly, forever guarding its imperial past while enchanting all who walk its storied paths.